Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to auto-generate captions and subtitles for any video on FastPix. We'll cover two methods, through the dashboard and through the API. By the end, you'll have accurate, time-aligned captions on your video without typing a single word. Quick prerequisite, you'll need a video already uploaded to FastPix. If you haven't done that yet, check the link in the description for our upload walkthrough first. Let's get started. Method 1. The dashboard. Open your video and click the Smart Transcript tab under InVideo AI. You'll land on the Smart Transcript Generation page. FastPix generates high-quality subtitles and full transcripts for your video using AI, improving accessibility, searchability, and viewer engagement all in one click. Hit Generate, confirm, and proceed, and FastPix gets to work transcribing your audio with OpenAI's Whisper model in the background. You'll see a preparing status while it runs. Give it a few seconds, and your transcript is ready. Time-aligned, segmented, with punctuation and timestamps locked to the second. Scroll through and review every line. Now you've got two ways to use it. Copy the transcript URL to wire your captions directly into any player, or hit download.vtt file to use it wherever you want it to live. Your CMS, your video archive, anywhere subtitles are supported. And here's the part that surprises people. Once your smart transcript is generated, captions appear automatically in the FastPix Player's subtitle menu. Zero setup, zero player config. It just works. Method 2. The API. Thinking programmatically? Generating subtitles from media you've already uploaded? Here's how the API does the same thing in a single call. You'll need two IDs from your dashboard. First, your media ID. From the Overview tab of your video, copy the media ID at the top of the page and paste it into the Curl Media ID field. Second, your audio track ID. Go to the Tracks tab. You'll see the JSON for every track on your media. Find the entry where type is audio and copy its ID and paste it into the Curl Track ID field. Hit the Generate Subtitles endpoint with your access token and secret key for authentication, and a JSON body specifying the language name and language code. For English, that's English and ENUS. Hit Enter. FastPix returns a JSON response confirming success with a new subtitle track's ID, type, and language. Behind the scenes, Whisper is processing your audio, and a webhook fires the moment your WebVTT track is ready. No polling, no waiting, just wire it into your job queue. Two ways to caption. One platform, zero typing. For more on Smart Transcript, every supported language, and every API option, the link to our guide for this topic and our full API reference is below for further perusal. Try it free at fastpix.com and ship video faster today.